kuso sonke ke lesilungu isilungu ke
Sifu.
I'm 25-year-old girl living and working in Four Ways, Johannesburg. But my siblings and I were born and raised here in Joburg. We went to English-speaking schools. I've been dating my boyfriend for 3 years. He's a proud Binga man. I have absolutely no problem being called Umakulu. They told me straight, as a wife in this family, you never shout at your man. You must kneel whenever you serve food to your husband and to
nonke nje walila
Yeah.
umakoti
Yeah.
ndiyakuqanini ukudla
Yeah.
unoche okay, is it a form of showing respect?
Yes.
Okay, now what act of respect that is equivalent to me kneeling down when serving you food? Nina
Siyakuthanda.
lehlula abantu abadala yekani nje bafana izofi imiziyoba omkhulu ijika lelo mphaka.
Hey. Hey, look, calm down, look. I need to be right, my daughter. Be right, my daughter. Maya puma, but be right, my daughter.
Ibe safety.
Hey, kukhona abangilifa likamkhulu kuyasetshenzisweni. Ithini ithi?
Egoli.
Ngokumkhulu ngase. Hayi maqalathi vele ngidlala.
Emadoda kuyasetshenziswa.
Emadoda. Kuyasetshenziswa. Nandi.
Sila ispeaker.
Siphi speaker. Namhlanje phela
Speaker. Hoy, connect. Awona ongasobhaqa phume phandle.
Mina.
Akushuka kakhulu ke.
Ongasobhaqa phandle.
Hey wesibo. Hayi kuba khona usibo. Sengikhishwa kanje.
Owala iwena.
Ngisho inyumbazana.
Owala iwena.
Ubalo.
Yamafika. Owala yi.
No.
Lima.
Antonam.
Ubonganile konjani ne?
Abangilifa likamkhulu kuyasetshenzisweni. I have to see it.
Wangigodlela.
Iliphi
Ngohlaba uwani wangigodlela wangibambela induku.
Lapho khona uzodla wena ngiyawazi wena ufuna babiza ukhuba yini umhlaba kaMkhuba noma
Yakhuba.
izwe kaKhuba ngizayifaka ngiqala
lalela.
Okay, siqale lalela. Masiqala maqaleni.
Ezozo lalela.
Hayi kwathi ukhuba ayinkinga ekandla ninza kanjena ekandla
Emahlatha amnyama.
awushaya awuhlaba uthu kodwa lapho ayikho phela awuhlaba uthu nje
Lalela.
One day. Uke wahlaba ke uqala ukuhlaba last time
shooting le
ngabona ukuthi letsizwa le kanti yagijima le
kunye nge-tray lapho enkandla nakhona into le ngoma ayikalishaya imillion
ngoba
kwenziwa yini ngoba
ufuna ngabe sinalo imillion le ngoma ishisa kakhulu phela national anthem yama Blue Nation le
hey Blue Nation kahle
Blue Nation
wena uthanda ingoma
mina ngithanda ingoma
ufana nami
Yeah.
yazi le ndawo yokuthi ke ube nobani but ke phela angiyazi ukuthi kwaZulu kahle kahle bafuna ukuthi ucace ukuthi wena ume kuphi
yeah
phela yadliwa inyama emabhaceni
inyama iyadliwa emabhatheni ngisho phela uyidla khana bathini bawudla isa raw uyafukutha yasafukutha ke thina phela inyama sidla injalo
amadoda adla inhloko noma adla isifuba noma
awufukuthi noma
mamela inyama uyayifukutha
yini ufukutha kanti
inyama raw ingaphekwanga
futhi ba kutshiwa ufake emlonyeni
ena kahle kahle angathi
kodwa uthatha inyama ebovu
awufukuthi
awufukuthi noba yini noba sabaqaba ngosofukuthi uphambo nje
it started during impilo yadakutsala so babecatshile labo babecatshe khona so babathi ukuthi nabedla if ngoku bayayihlinda lo nkomo leyo and then bayabasa the opponent itabona ngomsi uba bahleli phaya so baqhama nalento yokuthi sister vele sidla ihlathi ukufukutha kusuka lawo
hey
ukuchaza nje nakule elokhuzane ukuthi isifuba sihlwa obani nelokhuzane nenhloko cha inhloko thina siyibiza ingqongqo ngapha ngakithi
ingqongqo ingqongqo
yeah asiyibizi ngenhloko inhloko ngaba noma yipi yani ilokhuzane inyamazana inhloko kodwa nje specific ilokhuzane inyama yenhloko idliwa izinsizwa ke thina siyayithuka nalento esiyibona la emadrobheni
hey yazi manje seziyeza phela manje sivele sithenga inyama yenhloko zize siphuze ngisho nalomsopho wakho
sina sathi nje ukuthi hayi yamadoda
injalo emakhave injalo hayibo otsibulise we sokushibe kakhulu amadoda xamqamneke lo mfeka computer phathe xoba limathi lapho ngidabuka kakhulu mfuna ngiphuza umzimba umkhulu hlamfandi yangena imbhejulu uzulu uqalumeshe nofisa ungafafa ngamalayo not put kancane ngokusoloza nonato futhi kulonyoko madoda we isilo ngokwazi ngoba vele mina vele ngazalwa isilo madoda ngiyanitshela ngithi umoto kwamnandi ungalibiza kabili moto hayi ke sanibulise ekhaya sithi nje 600 subscribers road to 1k road to 1k 600 subscribers siyabonga sicela ukuthi keep on subscribing makube njalo lwazi subscribe alright itimele subscribe asibonge angifuni ke ukubiza bonke abala ngoba vele lana mawulana kumele ukuthi usubscribe lo else ke yazini wena ufuna isibhaxa ayikho yakho yakudusha ayibona no but ke hayi ngibonge kakhulu sibonge kakhulu hayi ukuthi ngibonge kakhulu sibonge kakhulu sisonke sekhaya sisonke sinjalo ke hayi angihambi ngedwe ekhaya phela ekhaya sinabantu abomkhaya bethu abahlala bekhona yibo abaphethe uhlelo ke labo engikhuluma ngabo abantu ke mangaba bekho ke ukuthi podcast ayikho phela la abantu abaphethe uhlelo lapho ngikhuluma ngobani ngikhuluma ngensizwe buya le enkandla uzwane madoda uzwane yaphila kodwa nsizwa kithi
ngiphila kakhulu bonile nje ngene ngegili njani
bosafuna ukusabuthi
angipha kanjani impemfishane nje yabo
yazi ngomele ngenzeni sifake le i-video yakho lapho uhlaba uthu khona lapha ngaphandle ngoba ikhona i-video
nifake phela
azavele siyifake sidedele kube mnandi kube njalo yaphila kodwa nsizwa kithi
ayisikhona siyajabula impela kakhulu sibuyile nje kahle ngeke sikhona ngeke kuthiwa sikho
Ha.
ngabe siphi
Ngabe ziyey'nyani.
Ngabe siphi?
Hawu iphethe kahle ije.
Eyi,
Isilungu siyavuma.
isilungu eish phela ayikho into ezokwenziwa kodwa
Eish. Kodwa ayikho into ezokwenziwa.
Kodwa
Uzela
kunzima.
umsebenzi.
kunzima ya
Uze phela akumsebenzi imfundo. Uzela imfundo.
Yeah.
Shout out to you Jay. Sakhamba ke phela asiyeke indaba zosibongo sakhamba ke phela zazo safika le kude le module eCockstad. Udlula zonke lezazi lapho uyofika straight ke Monfrey. Ilapho ke safika sadibana nentombi enhle intombi phela lapha bayibiza ngokuthi uSigudu. uV.
Not just any Sigudu. The Sigudu.
Advocate yamabhaka.
The one and only.
Hawu uyaphila kodwa?
Nje kahle.
Hawu madoda awubulize
Nje unibona nje saniyane enkathekweni nditiyekile etakwetinye indzawo indlela yokubulisa khudu lani leto ticamba nihlale phasi nenabe ningaphitsiteli niyalutele nihlata amabhaca ne yes
Dumelanga
hayi ndithe ndiyiphumeleleyo
uvela awudumelanga ekantungu
hawu ndiyiphumele hlobo
hawu imaqala lapha eMonfrey nasa nababesuthu vele bakhona besuthu lapha hayibo besuthu kanti niza nini ku podcast yazi kodwa hayi siyanicela ukuthi nizeni la e podcast sifuna ukukhuluma isuthu sifuna ukukhuluma ini futhi isivenda sifuna ukukhuluma isitsonga
tonke
yes tonke yabo uthini ngesuthu
zonke
bonke
ngaze ngakhumbula lwasisilo ucula kamnandi lwana uzonke athi feelings so talk about yazi le ngoma leyo feelings uyamazi feelings ake phela sikhambe sodwa ke namhlanje njengasishilo ukuthi ekhaya phela siyacela ukuthi ke abantu beze ba sikwazi ukuthi sikhulume nabo sixoxe kube mnandi kube njalo ke namhlanje siphethanga nje noba ubani siphethe insizwa ziphelele phela ngiyakutshela ngithi ngiphethe inkawo yakwamadzikane straight ke manje inono lethu
Butomdala.
Namhlanje ngibaphethe lenyeke namhlanje. Hayi mina akanikhulumeni phela nani nisho ukuthi
imboza ebhaceni. Yabona kodwa.
Wenza mnandi namhlanje.
Yabona kodwa.
Hayi ngiyathobeka phambi kwenu. Kuthi angithi nje yakho inkunzi emnyama engenampondo edudulayo phezulu entabenza sensizwa bathi ivele ngolunda phezulu emhlosheni kuzadubulana mina nguhoza wemdliwa wasodlala odlile uzophenduka into edliwayo odlile nomehla nokuvila manxema kuvela ukhanya umuntu ungacosha inhliziyo uyinje umuntu ohlukumeza abantu besifazane ngoba izinto ezakize engamahlukumeza abantu besifazane bafowethu ngiphasi phela lapha emhlosheni ngisehwansana la ngikhona hlala lapho ke uthule ubusho
manje yilo ifakile le ibizwana lento ifakile
Butomdala leli imboza leli
imboza yathi ngengayizwa ke ngemboza ngoba no uV akafuna ukuningenza imboza la ngoba ngifuna ukufaka imboza nami njengombhaka ngifaka imboza la imboza nale efaka la imboza ngithi imboza isho ukuthini imboza kahle inono lethu imaqala addressa kahle masithi inono lethu
yebo nini addressa kahle manithi inono lethu uthi inono lethu nje lelo gama igama eliphelele lelo awulinqumli igama eliphelele uthi inono lethu
njenga nathi ke siya umkhaba ke inono lethu ke
lana ke sengizakhele igama lokuthi ngithi kanqo
okay
ngalo lona imboza leli ukuchazela ke indaba yemboza imboza lifana nelukhuzana ngasho ngithi iyona nto esibonakala ngayo thina amabhaca ukuhluka kwezinye izizwe ngasho
umbhaca kahle kahle ukuthi siphethe inono lethu umbhaca asibone
futhi iyona nto esihluka ngayo kodwa ngizokuchazela makulo uqhubeka isho ukuthi
okay
kwenziwa yini ukuthi ngilifake nje mangilifakele balifakelana uvinjo babelifake
ngoba belifakile hayi asibone but ke before sifika ukuthi ke ngoba ngeke ngabona lapha kwa TikTok lapha usho ukuthi umuntu wokuqala noba yilapho izongena khona indaba ukuthi ngoba angathi ngeke ngabona ukuthi wathi umuntu wokuqala ukuthi afake imboza to a point ukuthi it becomes fashionable
I would like to disagree.
I
okay Cha bafethu ngizokuchaza nje lokho ukuthi kungani ngithi yimina owafaka imboza ebantwini. Yebo. Imboza uzokutshela uvinaye, uzokukhumbula futhi ukuthi imboza bese lingasafakwa sidalo. Lingasanakwanga nje. Osisi, omama beyifakela imqhele. Bathi ungiyani ke. Kuhlukana ngokwendawo ukuthi ubizwa ngani la nikhona. Shuthi bengasafakwa leyo nto ngisho insizwa uqobo emaholweni mina ngidlala ingoma ke.
Okay. Hayibo madoda akwangoma lapha.
Lingasafakwa lento yemboza. Ibingasanakwanga sidalo. Ngaye sengiyayithatha mina ngokuyibona ukuthi iyona into engasenza sihlukeke le. Phela khumbula ukuthi imboza ngokubona kwami akulona elamabhacalo kuphela.
Okay.
Bayawafaka amamboza.
Bafaka Bergville lapha bafaka abo Java lapha nabo.
Ningi indawo abayifaka kuzo.
Phela Bergville ngathi kwaHlubi lapha.
Sengisho ukuthi akuyena ubhaca yedwa.
Akuyena vele. Okay.
So mina ngase ngiyalibona ke ngilithanda ngalifaka ebantwini. Ngokwengezo emachongweni kanjalo amachonge beyingasayingeni nje indaba yembo. Yebo sekuyilokho nje ukuthi mhlawumbe osisi lapho nalapho ngase ngiyayithatha ke mina njoba namhlanje ubabona ngembozo ukuthi
maqala ka wena viwalelani yini koyaziyo ke.
No, thing is there is a guy who goes by the name Ujoliza Bhaca Soul. Uyacula. Awutumbone phakathi TikTok.
No, I've album lentsha yakhe la ngithanda kakhulu kunengoma lapha imaqala kunengoma engiyithandayo yakhe ke but ngiyambona
Ujoliza Bhaca Soul kudzala ke wayiqala indlela yakhe yomculo. Ujoliza isignature yakhe limboza. Uze uqonze yena nosisi wakhe they came with different versions of amamboza sokuthiwa amamboza wake Woolies lona vele lahleli njena kodwa ngoku balakhela ngetinye indlela ngoku la abantu ubonisa wona ku WhatsApp ngoku because uJoliza kusukela kudzala akahlukani nemboza nobuyephi lila enhloko unama dreads yena imboza lakhe ehlele la way back
kodwa manje way back wakho awazi phela ukuthi inono lethu lona laqala nini.
Well discover ngayo.
Awathi fena waqala 13 years and 12.
Uyabona mina ndiuviwa kwaSigudu kwelami iside ndithi if there's anyone who made imboza fashionable uJoliza Bhaca Soul. If there's anyone who made imboza fashionable according to me. Yo, lo muntu uyalifaka imboza.
Nandi ngoma engithandayo yakhe intsha nandi. Nonchacham. Inochacham. No chachabo. Ay, yabona swali sokufela sibhaqeni ke manje. Uzowazi sibhaq. Yabona manje time le podcast iphela.
Sengiyawazi amamboza nje ukuthi nayo imboza.
Hayibo. Ngisakafaka ulike ke la. Ngisakafaka ulike.
Siyabonga mkhaya. Shout out to Joliza. Shout out to Joliza.
Sisasiphelele lezi but ke ayike siyabonga siyabonga kakhulu ke ukuthi ke usivakashele namhlanje. Uyazi ngibone enye into lapha kwa TikTok angazi ukuthi niyazi na ngizobatha amatshitshi obuningi bawo manje amatshitshi aya kule lesbianism ukubaba ama lesbian kodwa nami into engiyibonile le ukuthi amatshitshi kahle asefuna ukuba abayi ama lesbian nifuna ukuyiphawula le ndaba noba niyayisaba
angiyazi
kodwa yazi ngibonile yazi
lamayiva
mina ngiyakutshela ngoba into engiyibonile okay mabe ngiyibona lapha TikTok le video le bekhuluma usisi lapha uPhili M uthi amatshitshi ayeke le ndaba ukuthi angathi kunomoya wama lesbian osengenile mangithi ngathula ngiyabheka vele amatshitshi I think it can be ukuthi then they can bangaba ama lesbian ngoba it's easier than ukuba nani nendoda phela indoda izothatha ihymen yakho but ma uyi lesbian ungaphusha iminyaka from 13 to 29 uloku lesbian ngoba phela angithi bayibiza lesbian phela inama babiza namasiza khona lawo yazi siza
mina ngibona ngathi kungenzeka ukuthi ikhona leyo nto eshoyo futhi kungekhe ukuthi mhlawumbe kwesinye isikhathi into yokubalekela
wena wakayiboni kodwa wena wakayiboni ke nonolethu wena wakayiboni wakahlangana nentombi lesbian
ayakhona
efake leya khala leya khona leya blue ledge akhona inqwaba
indlela yokubaleka
icrisis yazi le
into yokubalekela ukuthi mhlawumbe umuntu agcina intombi bakhe yabona
kodwa manje cabanga nje ukuthi phela sokugcina ubuntombi manje ngoba phela manje njalo mase sikhuluma inyani phela that's not angeke ugcine umntombi kahle kahle ngesintu kusafana nomuntu omsulwa wena masoke lokwenza amasiza just because you're saying uyayibona le ndaba
hayi akusesiko kuyiphatha kahle phela lokho
into esiyazibo kunele babiza nokusongela noma kwenzakalani
ayi
usoma
hayi phela mayifaka emadolweni nje phela babizana
ukusoma that's crazy that was a very crazy act
asifana nomagatsheni sisimbuzo
that was a very crazy act
nifonela magatsheni
simbuzo ukuthi amatshitsha asoma na
like that was a very very crazy act. I don't know who came up with that idea. So stupid. Why
is it stupid?
Why?
Wena ungatshondana netshitshi for 10 years ungaze nje wena nje ungaze nje at least ke mawusoma ke isikhathi sakhona ukuthi
that's stupid, that's crazy.
Why is it stupid?
That's crazy because most of them, like not most of them, but some of them got pregnant through lokusoma lokho. So uyabona ukuthi uyahlanya kahle ekhanda uphilanga. I did not do the deed. But you are pregnant. You are a virgin. You are pregnant. I'm not a virgin and I'm not pregnant. Kula ukuphatha kahle lawo.
Yeah. We virgin when V.
Now I have 3 kids actually. Bangapi? 1 2 3.
Ngane wena.
Wawazi ukuthi
uvile ngane.
3 kids.
Hayi unamanga wena.
No, like I'm not lying. Why would I lie about that? I'm not lying.
Alex lapha.
Ngabasitshela phela
ngabasitshela unengane ezibuyaphi
umuntu wami uniphathe
wewe kana ukhulu wakho bani isibongo
oh my god
ubani
umuntu wami uniphathe abantu
hayi biza ukhulu wakhe isibongo sakhe
ukhulu wami damendana noma Mjoli
umamjoli angahlala
unamanga nje uvile
ingane zo3
I do
hayi azike masiyekeni kodwa kana ngani but ke kube njalo kube mnandi ayike nono lethu you udlala umaskandi
bhuti omdala hayi ngomaskandi
unengoma zakho vela phaka kwaMaskandi
ezimnandi kakhulu eshayo
madoda
oyithembile singayiva like right now
awukufaka impumelelo yami
uqale nini ukwenza ukwenza umaskandi or to be indimeni kaMaskandi uqale nini
ngaqala kudala ukwenza umaskandi ngaqala ukurekhoda mini album ngaqala ngo
2018
yeah December
yini yakugcizelela ukuthi ufike kuMaskandi
uthando nje uthando nje
udlala umaskandi wesibhaca noba udlala umaskandi lo okalimit lo wesimanje manje
kunalokhu imistake eniyenzayo akukho owakudala ukho owamanje
yithi inkinga
nini problem
hayi akukho vele maskandi wakudala noma manje
ngoba mawuthi ukhona mhlambe kufanele kusetshenziswe iginqi zakudala noma ama-keyboard
hayi kodwa umaskandi wamanje awufani umaskandi wakudala cabanga bakhona ke mina abantu engibamemelayo abomaskandi kahle kahle mina ngisathanda abamaskandi abanesiqi uyamazi ibhuzelihle ubhuzelihle usanesiqi lo maskandi lo ongathi ufuna ukuba more commercial unokundida kancane ngiyawumamela wona but ichwane lebhaca umaskandi onesiqi loyo
lo ngasho nje ukuthi ubhaca noma isizulu bathi isizulu thina sithi ubhaca
okay
bangwani kodwa nje isizulu lesi esiqondile yabona njoba isizulu asifani noma isibhaca asifani kunalesi uthi mhlambe ilo line uchwanele ibhaca nobani nonkonzi lophuza chemist obani lo ubizwa ngokuthi isiZulu straight. Lo wamanje ubizwa ngokuthi njoba kuyistyle esisha khona amagama sibiwanika wona.
Umthandeni unewulisi.
Umunye unani.
Okay, wena ushaya ophi?
Mina nje
ngingaxolisa ukuthi ngingene emlomeni.
Ngisho nje ngithi ngineutral mina kulo maskandi.
Okay.
Ngoba mina le style sami ngisidlalayo sidlala bonke labo shuni.
Okay.
Kodwa ngisho akukho la mhlawumbe ukuthi angizoshintsha ukusetha noma ngishintshe ukwenzani yabona. Kodwa ziyaphuma zonke lezi izitayela.
Okay.
So yana ngecompose.
Okay.
Yona into esha abantu kakhulu.
Iyo le. Hawu.
Bayingene sive.
Yabona ke le inginukisela ngento le ngeke mamele vele le. Ngeke inginukisela nge-N3 le. Nginuka ithaya.
Bungasibheka
Ngabe ngibambe sanje sonke.
Ngikhohle ngempumelelo yami.
Antanam. Hayibo. YouTube inono lethu Facebook.
Spotify, Apple Music, ezinye azikho emthethweni.
Yeah. Kodwa nje bakuthola nje anywhere.
Yeah, bayangithola nje anyway.
This is such a good song.
Ngiyayazi ke mina ngazi.
Yonke indawo nje bayangithola TikTok, Facebook, Instagram bayangithola.
Yeah. Hayi asibonge. Hayi ke sineletha. Njengavele last
Your
time besibene letha
Ubani?
sineletha
Mina.
namhlanje sithe awuthi ke siyefunda iletha futhi namhlanje siza ukuthi bona bathini. So le letha lena ke siyazi ukuthi umuntu osinikeza iletha ulwazi uye kofunda iletha then ke asinikeze ke nawe ke mangabe ufuna ukusibhalela ekhaya podcast njengomkhaya lana ke ekhaya podcast nolethu abantu ke sisonke la sisibiza ngokuthi singa obomkhaya. Sho ukuthi nawe ke njengulana umkhaya.
Siyabonga.
Umkhaya ke manje masofike nje ekhaya podcast umkhaya. So iletha ikhona sizayifunda then size ukuthi njengana last time size sim advise mangabe ufuna advice yam advice noma ufuna ukutshela thina ukuthi uyasifundisa yabo le ndaba kube ndaba ezinjalo ayike elwazi woza ibhakabhaka uye kuphela phela elwazi woza uzobulisa uya kuphi nenkandla yizo nanti
Enkandla esigodini kwangona esigodini saseSosheni.
Sanibona enkandla esigodini saseSosheni. Hayi madoda. Kumnandi kunjalo. Ake namhlanje ngiyayibona ke lento oyenzile lana ke ukuthi isilungu. Izofunda
Iso sonke lesi.
Iso sonke ke lesilungu, isilungu ke.
Sifu.
Ake njengangishilo ngithi nandi kiletha madoda sineletha ke namhlanje madoda ahlala nentokazi ngesizulu kodwa uyazi ukuthi kumele uthi phela ngesilungu ladies and gentlemen ngesizulu kumele uthi madoda mangithi madoda kumele ngithi madoda nentokazi
Andathi hlo.
nithini kanti nina manje semgidini lapha eMontfrey
Sizokwani siziyehlo.
Nono lethu nithi nono lethu kahle usemzimkhulu noba use Eastern Cape.
Hayi ngiseMontfrey emhlosheni.
Usemonfrey hayiboni umkhaya
Emhlosheni kaNomagaga.
Okay emhlotsheni noba emhlosheni
Emhlotsheni.
Uyibhala uthi.
Okay kodwa ngakubona lapho ushute emzimkhulu lapha
hayi izindawo esifikayo.
hayi Zwan ngiyathanda ke letho ngoba ibhalwe ngesizulu esho ukuthi ke
Isizulu futhi
ama isilungu lesi lo ngithini kahle isilungu ke lesi sho ukuthi ke lena ngiyakwazi ukuyifunda ke lena then ke masikade ukuyifunda ke sebe sesibuza ke ukuthi kwenzakalani kodwa ngiyayibona ukuthi thathe liyakhona ngathi ziyakhala ke la but ke hayi awuthi sizwe kahle ukuthi bathini ngifundi
Hayi selungu.
Esho ukuthi ke nono lethu singafunda wena ke ungangena mawufunda. Ungimise njena ke ngoba mina ngizala ukungifunda. Ayikhaya bayazi ke bona bomkhaya bayazi ukuthi ihamba kanjani udaba. Bazamisa abafuna ukungimisa. Awuzwe. Ngoba ngiyeza uyazi waye ngibona ukuthi isilungu. Mayiqala ithi hey Khaya crew. Hey Khaya crew. Hey.
Awuzena.
Hey. Please keep me completely anonymous. Sizakwenza kanjalo.
Isilungu leso.
Uzaba anonymous. Ungabi indaba azalutho uyafihlwa wena usekhwapheni. I'm 25-year-old girl living and working in Fourways, Johannesburg. My parents are originally Xhosa from Ebisho, King Williamstown aka. But my siblings and I were born and raised here in Joburg. We went to English speaking schools and only visit the Eastern Cape for big family ceremonies. My parents aren't big on traditions. Uthi abekho big on tradition. We are just a modern happy family living our life, and I never thought my lack of cultural knowledge was an issue until now. Esho ukuthi zokhala ke manje. So uthi yena njena bengekho traditional. But Fourways, uke Fourways?
Ngeke ngadlula.
Kwadlule fubo yapha module Fourways ngobona se
YouTube. Ikuphi lapha? Koni ilokujani lapha indawo ngangiyekiyo sibumnandini.
Wesabumnandini. Ukufika via Fourways. No lethu.
Hayi nginokuya
nokuthi nje thathe nawe umnandini. Njengozwana.
Uyashiyana phela umnado.
Hey madoda, I've been dating my boyfriend for 3 years. Asikhaleke ngathi uyaja. I've been dating my boyfriend for 3 years. We met at work here in Joburg. I love him to bits, and I actually fell in love with his Zulu culture. He's a proud Bhinqa man. And because of him, I fell in love with Maskandi music. Hey, my daughter.
Thandana nebhinqa.
Uthandana nebhinqa. Wibhinqa nano lethu.
hayi
Wena umbhaco.
hayi cha ubhinqa
Ukubhinqa uqoka nokubhinqa kahle kahle yini vele?
hey
Mothi umuntu lo uyibhinqa leli. Usho ukuthini lonto?
Wamthatha
ngasho hayi mina bengizochaza ngokubona kwami
ngokubona kwakho naye uza
uyabona mina ngokubona kwami nangokwazi kwami ngokuyigqaja nje ngento yakini
exactly.
Into yakini kanjani? Because amabhinqa obuningi they just bafaka ama brain hood.
Angibe ubhinqa brain hood.
Akona ukubhinqa abonto lapha ubandlo ubandlo ingane kaThokozani Langa. Unjabulo Langa.
Hayi akukhona ubhinqa impahla mhlambe indlela babonakala ngayo ngathi ngeimage nje yokubhinqa kodwa akusho ukuthi usuyibhinqa 100% mawukuthi
uqophana hayi
Hey uvi uthulile sho ukuthandana nebhinqa. Uthandana nebhinqa nawe
uthini uthandana nebhinqa simuzwa uthini ngathi imnandi indaba yakhe lo
and uthanda uMaskandi.
Lo webhinqa asiqhubeke.
Alame yami yangqola.
We go to concerts all the time and Menz is literally my favorite artist. Hey,
Thando Menz.
Shout out to Menzi.
Wemaqonda. Who's your favorite Maskandi artist besides you? Because you are a Maskandi artist. No lethu.
Bakhulule mathe.
Bani?
Bakhulule mathe.
Hayibo. Angimazi.
Hayi
uthatha insizwa.
Makhulule mathe.
Bakhulule mathe.
Zwani uyazi? Hey, wena wazibani? Who's your favorite?
My favorite awufalabo.
Awufalabo? Ingani nami nayo. Ay. Now, boss no uthanda ufalabo. Who's your favorite? Kodwa uthanda ukumpost ufalabo.
Every day ekseni.
Post every day.
Ingiyama umdlala kuba nalokho nje la yabo ngathi uvuka nje angazi. Konke evuka yabona wadlala ngomafalabo.
Who's your favorite guys V?
Abaningi ofalabo umzukulu. Khona umyeni ngamathi bawayaphi ningevende nsanzo kwakuthiwa usigabiso. Anti mathi ba waya.
Usigabisi.
Andive nje msana.
Usakhona usigabisi.
Usakhona. I love him.
Usakhipha futhi. Usakhona.
I love him
Usakhona.
down.
Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Again, Uthando means recently he told me that he wants to marry me and make me his wife. I was so excited. He took me to his home, which is in a deep rural area just a few kilometers outside Pietermaritzburg. His family is a very strict traditional Zulu family. When we arrived, everyone was incredibly welcoming and happy to meet me. Sinjalo vele kwaZulu. We are welcoming.
Yeah.
Fika wena we are welcoming. Kodwa ke amabahambe mase behleli isikhathi eside. I've absolutely no problem being called umakoti. Akana problem ukubiza umakoti, okay? Yeah. The real shock came when I sat back and observed how the makotis in that family are treated. My boyfriend is third born. His oldest brother has 2 wives, is Tembu, and the second brother has 1. Watching them and listening to the family elders list the expectation completely terrified me. They told me straight, as a wife in this family, you never shout at your man. Umshotelani indoda.
Hayi.
Kufanele eze naye ekwazi lokho.
Njenga vele ukukhuliswa kahle. Ukuthi indoda nje ukhulumelana indoda phezulu. Njengana le khona ya trend lapha ubani lo uThabiso lo ubani uThabiso lo trenda khona manje le insizwa le imfazi wakhe wathola ama screen ama phone number ama side chick amaningi nje. Awumazi anizazi wasePitori lono lady wathola manje utshela uthethisa indoda manje ukuthi abobani laba basefoni yakho bheka nje abantu abaningi kanjani hayibo kasuthi abashadanga phela mina nginanombono loyo angifuni ukusho mkhaya mina nginombono ukuthi umuntu mhlombe mangabe akacheat kumele ukuthi usethathile. Kodwa mangabe usayintombi, you are a boyfriend or girlfriend, you are able kumele ube nabaningi.
Promote cheating wena.
I-cheat akuyona cheating. Ngicheat kanjani? Phela mawuthathile. And then ke ilapho ke mhlombe ke singakhuluma ukuthi ngeke phela uyi-girlfriend yami usozongitshela ukuthi mina ngibe nabaningi kanjani. Amatshe aqoshwa kaningi. Angithi ngisabheka bheka. Hayi bokhulumani madoda nabanye yasapha.
Sawona promote cheating nje.
V wena ke ongitshela indoda yakho ufuna ebe nawe kuphela. Kodwa ekushadanga. Hayi kodwa that's unrealistic.
Hayibo.
Kanjani kodwa ngoba uwe kuphela. Ube uwe kuphela.
Yes.
Kodwa angishadanga.
Yes.
Kumele
wazi ukuthi uwe kuphela kodwa ungenaso isiqiniseko salokho.
Ube nesiqiniseko ukuthi okay lona ke base ngimthatha ke ngiyamgana ke manje sengiyalobola ukuthi vele ngeke hamba.
Angithi phela lento iqala la ekuthenini dala mawukhumbula ubuyele emuva. Dala kwakuthiwani kwawungalali namantombazana ojulana.
Yeah.
So kwakuyifanela nje ngoba awuzuwe ube ne-intercom mhlawumbe kuthiwa
intercourse.
Angithi awulali nabo. So awunalo ilungelo ukuthi ungajula nabantu abaningi.
Yazi ihlupha mayifika lapho ukuthi namhlanje labantu abafuna ukuthandana nabo ama boyfriend bafuna ukuthi sihlalane. Kodwa bongamelanga ukuthi kahle ulala nenye indoda uthandana nayo. Akumelanga nje uyintombi ungathandana nabantu abaningi njengengiyinsizwa ngithandana kodwa angilali nani nonke. Manje idina masefika ukuthi manje sesiyalalana. Yabona mawuqala ulala nentombi zakho zodwa ngoba intombi zibona kahle ukuthi ake manje ngoba ngilale nawe sho ukuthi so wami.
Yeah ubona la eqala khona yelweke.
Insizwa kodwa ziyabheda insizwa. Anyeke ulala nentombi madoda. Ake ngithandana nje kube mnandi kube njalo. Noba
Awusilalela.
Uzwane ngathi le ndaba le iyamsinda. Angathi kunento azenza lapha entweni lapha eUJ lapha kodwa ke sizaza one day. Uthini? They told me straight as a wife in this family you never shout at your man, you must kneel whenever you serve food to your husband and to all the men in the family.
Hayibo.
Yini?
Uma
I'm not gonna go right la.
Nama ngibona into entsha.
Uma ngasoyini.
Hayi ngibona into entsha.
Hayi nama.
Uma ngasoyini.
Yini unafuna ukuguqa?
Ngoba phela mawahambiseni abantu umndeni wonke nje.
nonke nje wena la
Yeah.
Duma khothi
Yeah.
ndiyakuqanini neukudla
Yeah.
Ngamadoda.
unoche
Kanjani manje?
hayi ngeke hlo
Ufuna ukwenza usinikeza nje uthi thatha.
Yini le ndawo eza.
sengikhama ngamadolo
Yini
Oy.
yini lento itasuka kuwe mama uyekha leyo nto.
Yeah.
okay is it a form of showing respect
Yes.
okay as a woman ndiyakuqana nandindlulisela ukudla because ndiyanhlonipha nina what act of respect that is equivalent to me kneeling down when serving you food nina
Siyakuthanda.
Hoybo
Siyakuthanda.
Hoybo
Hayi athi sizwe. Uthi yena kade akayithandike lo ndaba naye ufana njengovike sho ukuthi
Hoybo
they said kumele ngingabi nenkani and I must submit immediately if my husband requires a specific meal even if I've already finished cooking something else.
Ukhumbule phela lo muntu into emdida umzulu uthene eqaleni uthe ukhulele la kodwa uzale luphi le Eastern Cape ubeya mangabe kunani kunamathuba
Ukhulela
ngike
ngayo
mangale lento emeseya lapha ya
kodwa phela hayibo vika ngathi wena uyale phela cabanga kumele ibe njalo vele ukuthi indoda mangabe ifuna ukudla okuthile ithi
hawu upheke ubhontshisi la okungifuna ikhabisha ulipheke fast
ufike show ndipheke ishwala ufike wena ufune umkhulu
ethi akasidla ishwala
njalo
pheke iqhude lapha
hayi khahlo awunathanda wena
hayi kodwa
Mina
ngeke kametse
mina ngivumelana nalo hayi kodwa lezo imfundiso sezidlulele. Lezo ukuthi umuntu mhlawumbe mayengena la efuna lento ongayiphekanga kufanele uphekenye.
yeah
Ukusalo.
ihlelo phela
uthathile unomfazi
awunathanda
ibhodo mina ngisalazi
bo
mina
uthatha umfazi noma uthatha isigqila sakho odosekisa
Akusona isigqila.
okay
ngehlo angeke kametse
uyazi mina ke okay mhlawumbe ke ifona ne preference ngoba ngiyakhumbula mina into futhi nje ngakhula nginayo ukuthi mina mase ngithatha ngifisa ukuthi ngithathe umuntu othanda ukupheka ngoba mina angithandi ukupheka so uyophekayo mina nje ibhodo nje akuyona nje into yami ngoba vele naye wenza uyathanda ukupheka
kuthiwa lana ufike sokuphekiwe akusho uba kuphekwanga ufike sokuphekiwe kuqetshiwe kutaphakwa ufike uthi wena uyifuna lento ephekiwe ufuna enye uyifuna kuba
lalela lezi zinto ukuthi abantu bakudala abantu besisibona babesemandleni kakhulu ibona babe provider vele yabo umuntu wesifazane yikho izolandela imithetho yani yendoda njalo ngoba indoda yona provider manje akusekho njalo manje indoda
isiyakhathele wena uzopheka wena uzopheka
akutsho kanjalo
utheloyo uthi sahlangana la eGoli ngokomsebenzi nayo besebenza nendoda yasebenza sebeye emakhaya bobabili ke manje lezi zinto sengimele lapha emakhaya
kwazile kodwa na ukuthi mayithatha ibhinqa uthathe umuntu onjani phela ibhinqa sho ukuthi uyamazi umuntu wasemakhaya ukuthi libhinqa laseGoli
hey ngeke hlo
hayi
ayike masiqhubeke bathi ngabi nenkani uthi futhi I must cover my head with a duke at all times even when I go to town
yeah
injalo
kunjani vele
wevuma ke nawe vi
kufanele phela kube uyatshengisa ukuthi uthathile
yes
I must never backchat the in-laws and I'm expected to personally nurse and take care of his parents. One uncle even said noma engafika ngo3 ebusuku uyivulele indoda. ayavele yavulela indoda
yeah kusho uncle wakhe
usho ukuthi uthi one of the uncles lapho
oh wala
uthi indoda yavulela ngisho noma angafika ngo3 kodwa phela ivulela ngalezazi yabo noma angafika ngo3 uyamvulela ngaleziya futhi yavula mina ngiyamuzwa uncle uthini
Yeah.
ubengasho umnyango
hayi cha qhubeka sila sizile
I kinda knew what he was implying, but 3 in the morning, where is he coming from?
Exactly.
Useqalele uyaphendula.
Uvulela uvelayi. Wafika so uvulela uvelayi.
Hayibo.
Bowulayi.
Useqalele uyaphendula. Also, they told me I cannot just give him one child. I must give him at least three or more.
Crazy family.
Hey, ziyakhala la.
Crazy.
They also mentioned I must accept this child from a previous relationship as my own, which I actually don't mind because I love kids and he was honest about it.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, that's fine.
Ngithanda le blind lezo ithi ekhaya family. These rules feels like a prison sentence for someone raised in 4 ways to have her own voice. I kinda get where she's coming from.
Ngiyamuzwa.
Kanti ngoba egol phela ufundisa ukuthi you must have your own opinion. Ezinye izinto nje awuzivumi. Isinto sona when it comes to females is very much submissive. Kumele ukuthi uthi yebo baba uthobela umthetho wasendlini. So I get why she's conflicted.
lo muntu uyasebenza ngithi ukotizana isithola nesikhathi kubo makoti yonke lezi zinto ayibala la ukuthi ezenze
Ay angazi nami.
Ngoba phela-
uthi uvakashile, ubevakashile.
Ubesavakashile.
Mayivakashile lapha bamtshela lezo zinto ukuthi umakoti mawungena la this is what needs to happen.
akangabe ke stress vele ngoba yena uzwe ngama holiday kuphela angeke ezehlalilo ayilento yoyenziwa kudala le ukuthi bethathwe omabethu beshiwe lapha emakhaya iyo ingeyiphisa kakhulu leti yangicasula ngempela kanje like ngempela ungathatha umuntu umthanda uhambe umhlalisa kini thakahlale wena uhambe uye eGoli uthi eGoli ethi yini manje umthanda ungahambi naye uthi asambe soqala impilo lapha sobabili
Kodwa kuzohlala banike ekhaya manje.
kuzohlala bani ekhaya?
Kuzohlala bani ngoba phela angathi uvusa umuzi ngomakoti.
uma uthi uvusa umuzi uqonda ukuthini
Isho ukuthi mangithatha.
Ehhe.
Thingithi mangithatha. Kumele ukuthi lapho mina ngakhila mhlawumbe ngakhe egcekeni noba ke banginikeza inxiwo. Kumele mangiqeda kwakho u2 room lapho. Umakoti kumele ahlale lapho.
umshiya kini nabakini angithi makoti
Yeah. No.
umshiya nabakini phela uhlala wedwa
Angimshiya emzini wami phela maso enxiweni uba nenxiwa lakho maso uthathile.
Yeah,
right-ke mozomshiya emzini wakho hayi kini
Yeah.
ungamshiyi kini
Bomntene ngabe
Noma ngimshiya
ukaneba akasaganile phela wena uma umshiya kini
Phela
useganile ababasele
injalo phela wasekhaya
Ukaba
umakoti
kanti.
lo. Umakoti lo kumele ukuthi
Ukabani.
ahlale akotize.
uthi ekotizele ba
bomtekela unyoko na.
Hayi wathi sizwe kodwa ngiyakuzwa lento eyishoyo. Ngizwa kahle. Kodwa ke mina ngisacabanga ukuthi hayi kumele ukuthi vele ahlale lapho angalokho ephikisana. And ekhaya family these rules feels like a prison sentence for someone raised in 4 ways to have her own voice. Angiyamuzwa ke lapho. I look at the other makotis who grew up in KZN. They seem completely fine with the lifestyle, but I know deep down I will suffocate. That's a huge statement. Yazi mawungabe uyazazi ke vele ukuthi izokuphatha kanjani leyo umpatho.
Yes.
Then uqedile. Mangabe zakusuffocate, that means ungangeni kuyo. Angithi zakusuffocate wena. Yeah.
okay
Share parts. But uthi manje uyamthanda. But my parents told me the choice is entirely mine. My Joburg friends are screaming at me to run, saying I will be miserable. Vele nganesekama ngabe uzul suffocate. My boyfriend is trying to compromise. He says we only have to live at the KZN homestead for the first 5 years to respect the family rules.
5 years actually 5 months.
Uthi ba compromise bazahlala bathobela umthetho for 5 years.
Nethi 5 months nokuphazamile. 5 years.
5 years.
Nansi mhlola.
And after that we can relocate, build our own house and make our own
Yo
rules.
5 years efila umntwana abantu nje.
5 years is a long time to raise who I am. Can a modern city girl adapt to deep rural Makoti life for love or am I setting myself for heartbreak? Please advise.
I hear her. Her concerns are very valid because she was raised to think for herself, speak for herself, and decide for herself. But now she has to shrink. Yeah, she's not refusing the culture, but she's scared of losing her identity or who she is. Akananzaba noni, akaliphikisi usiko or indlela, but uyesaba ukuluza ubuyena because that's not how she was raised. Akayathi yonke le nto lena. So akayathi lento ayotifaka kuyo. That's why ke ngoku worried kanjena because ufeeling ngathi ngokuthi aluza ubuyena just to please other people, abe yena deep down engekho happy.
Makes sense.
Yes.
But yeah, yazi into engiyibonayo plus la kulama trending kunento ukuthi labantu laba mabelobola ukubona mabelobola bafake lezi zinto zakhona becoming Mrs. what bayathanda ukuyisele amadoda abo ama trend why is it a trend ukuthi uyenze ngaloso sikhathi but you don't want to spend 5 years doing it?
It's content, my guy. It's just a trend. 2 minutes thing.
Sesiganele content.
It's just a trend.
Bayazazi bonke bayathandana.
Nami ngifuna ukuhambisa i-tray emotweni. Ngalo mzuzu it's just a trend.
Ngalo mzuzu
bafuna ukuyekha ngalo abafuna ukuyekha ngalo mzuzu for content for trend.
Isinto sithi every you must do that every day. Why can't you do it every day? But ufuna ukushaka, you want to shake your body for umenzi concert, but you don't want to then take what raises that being, because phela lesasinto leso it raised lo mjida lo simkhulisile. You don't want to embrace into emkhulisile. You want to pick and choose ukuthi okay nazi izinto ezimkhulisile but wena you want to take this and this, aleyo kuqa no, leyo backcheck no, lento kanjani.
To some women it does not feel like an oppression. It's pride and identity. Njengoba ethule bandibonile babanye amakhoti ba KZN bona lento bayayenda and bayenda ngokuyithanda. To them it's pride and identity. Into bebe exposed kuyo abakhule bayibona. To her it seems like an oppression. Akayathi mama ke wayengayenti.
Khulele forward.
Yes, ukhulele forward mama ke wayengayenti.
Shout out to forward.
Itaqala ngaye iyamthuza because itaqala ngaye akayathi. And my thing is kutotwa ngelento etibaliwe. Mina ke njengoba benjisa I'm a very cultured person. I love tradition. My problem with these things fanele nto wake wayisho yokutila ukuthi akusenomnye tatile 1 year omnye atile 6 months ibone le nto la topic lana kulento etibaliwe lana endithi vako kuthiwa amakhodi uthi andikeva kuthiwa wena njengomyeni nathi takho into okufuneka utende why kumu ndinemithetho okay wena njengomyeni nami sishadile sobabili la ithine takho wena into
you provide you are the head of the house.
That's stupid. That's very stupid, especially on this case because they are both working.
Just we provide.
That is stupid. That is very stupid, guys.
Ngeke ukuthi naye abe na umthetho abambekela wona.
Okay,
mayithatha umakho
kutheni ngabonakala lo mithetho le ngoba mine yami ndithi ayoguqana ngamna ndiyabonakala ndiguqa wena utendani noma nona
inkinga le isekutheni nina nifuna ukushintsha umthetho ngoba kufanele uvune
independent woman.
I do not have a problem with those cultures and traditions.
So sihle sithi singa-edithwa
crazy mamela omakhulu bethu omamjoli laba nabo makhulu laba baphakulwa umuntu ukuchoswa kuwo they were brainwashed back then babehlala emakhaya they were dependent kulamadoda lanka yes so they had to be submissive, they were conditioned to be submissive uyabona they were exposed ukuthi bathini babe submissive ngoku ukuba submissive is a choice.
Yeah,
I'm working, you are working. You cannot expect me ukuthi ndekhe yonke lento ekho umamjoli ngesikhathi sakhe. Akusisikhathi sika mamjoli ngoku. Akusisikhathi sika uzwane uthi ndibutile ukuthi kule yamithetho ebekwe phayana umyeni yena utendani. Wathi wena uya provide. Uvilo bedibene 17. Ungabamba. Uvilo bedibene 17.
Uzoprovide phezulu umsebenzi.
Hayi ngeke
no mina ngicanga ukuthi i-choice yonke lento. Futhi wena kufanele wenza into ngoba ungithanda ungenzi into ngoba nakho mhlambe
cha mina
hayi ngehlo
mina bengithi ngizobona advice ama things we-keep inkinga usoyimention yena la ukuthi kufuna belinde 5 years mina bengizothi nje simple tshela indoda yakho niphumuzweni mayengavumi shiya ngoba
Kodwa
phela
phela-
angeke ngoba wena uthi ngeke kwazi kumelana nalezi zinto ezenziwa la imithetho la kodwa emzini wakho nendoda yakho akekho umuntu ozobefuna lo mthetho yakho nengane zakho nendoda yakho kuphela
Hayi,
ukuthi
kodwa-
ibekwe yini
kodwa ngeke uyokuxaka lo mfazi thathela uphume naye ubheke ukuthi
ucabanga
uzokwenza
usuthi asikhambe lo mthetho lona le
Uyabona?
mthetho lena
Iyabheda,
mama
hhayi,
iyabheda
la ekhaya,
asikhambe
uhambe naye umfato wakho mawufika lapha phambili
cha vele
xakile uzophinda
uyaqala ngomalungu uyobuya egcekeni futhi
vezohleze namandla nje ngaphe kwakho wena ndoda uzohleze phe enamandla phela ngaye amandla okurule nani kodwa nje umuntu wesifazane into uma ngabe ogada uma ngabe kudala ukuthi uzotshela ubaba uma wakho ukuthi ekhulume nobaba wakho ukuthi hayibo mama ngisacongcele kubaba into ukuthi
yeah
uyini wena ungayeli wena ngoba mawutshela uma wakho uzomthambisa ukuthi hayibo
Baba.
yabo
Eh.
so umuntu wesifazane ohleze namandla kanjalo ke kumuntu wesilisa noma kuthiwa kanje uyogcina ngamkhipha ebaleni nginganixabanisa nabafweni labo khona labo nawe ekhaya uyogcina uphumile
hayi kodwa kuhle ukuhamba ku right ebaleni yabo
ilokhu engisho ukuthi mina abaphume nje kahle ukuthi
Right.
okay hayi ngoba sinawo amandla sobabili nomama sicela ukuthi
Siphume.
sithole inxiwa
Phela nje.
phela
hayi ke mkhaya lapho ke ubhale phela lapho phansi ukuthi wena how can you advise the lady ukuthi yena angenza kanjani but ke qhi jabula ntombazana kaGametso uzala inqalo zala insizwa ziphelele madoda uzala umoto kwamnandi ungaliphinda kabili moto nino lethu bakuthola phi kulamalanga ezayo kwenzakalani khona mhlombe lapho khona into ozozenza kule minyanga ezayo nje mangakuthola khona
hayi ngiyatholakala online ke wonke lama platform la TikTok no YouTube no Spotify no ini
Yeah.
kodwa nje mangaba ngitshela nje ngento ezowenzeka kiyo lenyanga mayiphela
Yeah.
ngizokhipha ialbum isingeli
okay
single track lapha ethi elethu izwe
elethu izwe
yeah ngizokhipha isingeli likho izoba khona yonke indawo nje izoba khona yonke indawo ngiyacela kakhulu abantu lapha ekhaya besukume beyithathele phezulu inkulu lengo
hit yama hit
ha
zohlukanisa
hit leyana
yabona ngoba kakhulukazi abantu bebengifuna kilo leli side ngoba bengisha zonke izitayela kade bengasitholi lesitayela
Yeah.
manje bangilindele ngamehla bovu ngiyacela abafowethu nisukumene phezulu nale sound isebenze nje
yeah
ikwazi ukufika kahle ebantwini abaningi
yebo hayi ke ekhaya bomkhaya sicela nenzeni iqiniso follow inono lethu listen to ingoma mayiphuma sizoyiposta nalapha au social media kube mnandi kube njalo ukuthi seyiphumile
Yeah.
kube mnandi kube njalo nje akube mnandi zwani akhona amazwi okugcina mhlombe ke before ngivala
lethani indaba ezimnandi la niyabhala lapha
bayabhala vele
ihehebe lingaka ulibhala
hayi udm ungadm to Instagram esinayo ungadm ku TikTok ungadm ku Facebook or ungabhalela straight ke ku Gmail yethu ithi ekhayapodcast 2000.@gmail.com benjalo kube mnandi v
kona kanje
kanje lethu siyabonga
okay ayisibonge kakhulu ukuthi omdala
usazobuya futhi ngoba uthoza sixoxela ngomqhele kodwa manje nasi isikhathi sesishayile yebo le ndaba
hayi futhi ke novike hayi ngizomelapha kule mthetho
uyayibona
ngizomelapha uyazi nayo Jolisa uyazi uzombuza ngoba manje
akakhulumi indawo bayalazi ushilo uviwa kanje asibonane next week please do subscribe 600 subscribers road to 1k please akube njalo mawufuna ukuza nawe usivakashele ekhaya podcast ungeza kube mnandi kube njalo lwazi siyakhala